What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today we are going to be taking a basic review and a first look at the A4 4G Android 7.1 fitness tracker smartwatch. Now, this is one of the fancier smartwatches out there with the 4G network capability, and it could be also under other name labels. So this is the generic name, but then I'm sure there's going to be other labels that's going to white label this watch and call it something else. As soon as I find any retailers that have customized this watch and white labeled it under their name, I will have the name change on this video as well for this watch. Now, before we begin today and take a look at this watch, make sure you guys have subscribed to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, and it will also allow me to provide you guys with regular free content on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches, so please support me on that. And if you guys do want to purchase this watch after this video, you guys can use my affiliate link, which will take you to trusted sellers and websites. And I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you, and I would very much appreciate that. So let's begin. Now, this smartwatch comes with a silicone band. Only one variation, which is the black color. It comes with a pretty nice case. It's very thick, so it's more for a guy's style. I really like this watch very much already. So comparing to some of the other Android 5-point-something watches, such as the KW88 or KW99, this one already feels like it has a thicker feel, so it feels more masculine. It's something that I would prefer. We're going to take a look at some of the features it comes with, but first of all, let's put this watch on and see how it looks for you guys. So it feels very roomy, and like I said, it's a very masculine watch. It comes with two buttons right here. One button here is to actually just turn on the watch screen, but of course, you do not have to push this button. You can actually just wave your wrist like this, and it will come on. So this is called gesture control, which, a lot of watches have anyways. It's not like a very fancy feature. You can actually get the gesture control with watches even at about $20. So it's nothing surprising for a watch that is about $100. This watch does go for about $100 in the range. I've seen some retailers who's trying to sell this for even more. So if you can find this for $100 from a reliable seller, you can, consider that a bargain. Okay, now the other button right here is used to, if you long press it, you can actually get, video recording with pictures with the side camera right here. So if you long press it, that's what it does. So as you can see, it's actually a pretty cool camera on a smartwatch that's $100. So that is something extra to consider. Now let's look into some of the features on this watch. First of all, we can check how many watch faces this watch comes with. So what you do is you would long press the default watch face here. Now you can explore some of the watch faces that comes by default with this watch. Now, obviously, this watch can go online, so it can go ahead and download extra watch faces. And I'm not really sure. It looks like this you can actually create your own watch face, but I have not given that feature a try. But I will update you guys once I do. Now, let's see some of the other features on this watch. Now, you're going to get your very standard looking Android menu. If you guys have had Android watches before, this is probably not something new to you. Okay, So you're gonna have your basic contacts, phone, messaging. You can go online with this watch on Wi-Fi, or you're probably gonna need a SIM card from your mobile carrier to actually receive 4G data. Now, once you're on the menu, you're gonna have your pretty standard options. So browser, calendar, clock. So a lot of this is pretty self-explanatory. Let's check the heart rate monitor and see how this works. So this is pretty standard as well. It comes with almost all Android watches that I have came across. I actually don't know any watches that don't come with a heart rate monitor on an Android system. But if you guys do know, please do provide me with a feedback in the video description below. So we're gonna see, now this is a pretty detailed reading because it shows history too. So it's a little fancier reading from the Android 5.1 versions, but it seems like we're just fluctuated by like a 20. So you do want to double check how reliable this is before relying on it any further. You can have your other fitness options. Yeah, so you're going to get your sport modes and other Android applications once you get online. So, in a sense, I think this is a pretty cool watch to have, especially with the Android system and the 4G capability for something about $100. It really puts some of the other 3G and 2G watches obsolete. So if you guys do like browsing on your watch, this might be the watch to get, and now it's about $100 if you can actually get it from the right supplier or website. So in my opinion, for $100, this has just created a lot more value comparing to the Android 3G watches that used to cost $100 or still do cost $100. So this concludes my basic review of the A4 4G smartwatch. I'm going to update the video title once I find any well-known retailers who has white labeled this watch. So thank you very much for watching. Please give my video a thumbs up. I will see you guys next time. And if you guys do want me to introduce any or take a basic review of any other smartwatches, do drop a comment below and I will see if I can do a review based on what you need. Thank you very much.